If you're an Opofinance user looking to trade on the OpoTrade platform and utilize TradingView charts, the first step is to create a trading account. In this video, I will walk you through the process of setting up an OpoTrade account. So in its latest update, Opofinance, in collaboration with TradingView team, has introduced OpoTrade platform. This feature allows users to conduct analysis and execute tradings directly on the TradingView charts, completely free of charge. So now let's explore how to create an OpoTrade account. First, log into your user panel. From the menu, select OpoTrade and click Create Account. On this page, you'll see OpoTrade accounts listed by default. If you access the account creation section through the accounts menu, ensure you select OpoTrade as the account type. Next, choose the type of account you want to create. For instance, we'll create a standard live account in this example. On the following page, configure your account setting, including leverage options and other preferences. In the box at the corner of the screen, you can review your account details. Once everything is set, click Create Account. Review the summary of your account information, and if everything looks good, confirm the details to finalize account creation. If the steps are followed correctly, you'll see a confirmation that your account has been successfully created, and its details will be displayed on the screen. This information will also be emailed to you, and you can access it later under the accounts section, just like your other accounts. So to begin trading, simply make a deposit just as you would with another account. So now stay tuned for the next videos where I will guide you through the logging to your account and connecting your account to OpoTrade platform. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section. We will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you so much for watching.